Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your headphones JLab JBuddies Studio 2. To perform a hard reset, right here at the right ear cup you need to press and hold at the same time this multifunctional button and volume up button until this LED light start to be purple. So press and hold on it. And right here we have a purple LED light. So firstly we need to remove these headphones from the phone, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device and after that turn off your headphones. And then turn on it and it will enter to pairing mode automatically, so we should see it at the device list. Here we go, and now it entered to pairing mode, so yeah, we can see it, tap on it, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!